Oh my God.
We're facing the wettest winter on record after savage storms left one man dead and tens of thousands without power. Hundreds more were left stranded as winds of up to 108 miles per hour stopped trains in their tracks, blew roofs off stations and closed major transport links on a day dubbed Wild Wednesday. In Worcester, an interview was interrupted after a tree plunged into a river.
So how bad is the wind and the rain?
Jesus!
Oh my God.
In Aberystwyth, huge waves continue to batter the Welsh coast. In Bideford, the A39 was blocked at Torridge Bridge after gale force winds blew a lorry over in front of a car. Elsewhere, Blackpool Beach was forced to close as high winds lashed at the holiday town. After a brief respite today, Britain faces more chaos as another storm brings heavy rain, strong floods and further risk of flooding tomorrow and into the weekend.